Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can show or hide this grid line in Microsoft Excel. Right, so that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now you can see these grid line are the ones that show you where the rows and then the columns, right? So they made up those cells. So now if you want to turn them off, or maybe they are off and you want to turn them on back on, what you can do is just come to your view, click on your view tab right here, and then you have this grid line right here. So if you want to turn them off, just make sure you unmark that, and then as you can see, you have turned those grid line off. But then if they are off and you want to turn them back on, just make sure you mark that, and then as you can see, you have them back on right there. So that's how you can turn your grid lines back on or off in Microsoft Excel. So yeah, it's really simple. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I bring new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.